Hello, it's Ben from Freedom Bathrooms once again. Now what we're showing you today is new technology. It's a 360 video, so you'll be able to scroll around this video as I'm talking, and then at the end I'll leave so you can have a look without me in the way. But you'll be able to scroll around and look at all the different features of this bathroom. So firstly, let's have a look at this vanity. You've got a double 1500 vanity, all drawers, soft closing with a Subway wavy tile splashback with your two LED round mirrors, which look beautiful. Have a look at that. The way the light bounces off the wavy Subway tile, it just looks really, really nice. The choice of stone colour here is also goes really well with the choice of colours. With the black finish, black trims, your towel rails, your tapware, your shower head, and also the trimming around the niches in your bath and your shower. The freestanding bath is a back-to-wall freestanding bath, we call it. So it's freestanding, but at the back it goes to the wall, so that way you don't have to get behind and clean it. But it also gives you the ledge to put pot plants, soap holders, bottles, even a glass of champagne, if that's your cup of tea. So we have the bath inside the actual shower area. You can see here, there's a strip drain. Scroll down there, you'll see a strip drain running through the middle, in front of the bath there, middle of the floor, and over here is our glass panel, which protects the vanity. So I'm in here now, I'm having a shower, in my open shower. Bath's there, the bath gets wet, that's okay. Straight across from me, after I've had my shower, I walk over here, I grab my towels. Now the towels are that far away from the shower, they're not going to get wet, they're still going to be dry, but they're right there waiting for you. So it's a beautiful design. This room, what we did, this was actually two rooms. I'm actually standing in what was the walk-in robe. And where I'm standing here is where there used to be a wall. We've taken the wall out and combined the existing bathroom and the existing walk-in robe and made one big bathroom, so we're able to get a freestanding bath. Now this is an ensuite. This is the bathroom off the bedroom. So it's a beautiful shared space for a his and a hers. And with bath, open shower, it's beautiful. It's a beautiful room. Have a look. Scroll around, have a look. I'm going to walk out now and I'm going to give you some time to scroll around, have a look and admire the beautiful finish that we've created here.